So we have mounted the piñata and we untangled the wires and now Dana's holding the piñata.
Otherwise hollow. It's plastic. Yep. We used to use old broomsticks to break them.
It's not going to stay that high. You didn't see the process. Oh, I did. We're all laughing at you.
Gee, thanks. Appreciate that.
And saying, what happens to Sam falls? Well, Sandy could fix his own. Oh, I see why. Oh, you didn't tie it up all the way. Now you could tie this string to the height you want it over here, and it will stay at the height.
Well, no. What you do?
Oh, you
the
do it
person
up and
comes
down?
to hit it, and you do this.
Oh. Well, that's cheating.
Well, that's how you play.
What's cheating?
We used to do it with a blindfold. You do.
That's dangerous.
And then you hit each other.
We have a blindfold. You want it?
No.
Okay, Lisa, you hit it first.
Well, we
So
got
tell
people
them to
out
come
here.
out.
Oh, good grief. I got it up and that comic strip peanut.